Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Discovery bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge, and bring up the search bar and type in Discovery bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link online.discovery.bank. Click on that link. Now you will be taken to the official website of Discovery Bank. At the top right of your screen, you can see the login button. Just click on login button to login. Again, you will be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of Discovery Bank. Over here, you just need to enter your username. Similarly, enter your password over here. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forget password to recover your password. Similarly, in case if you forgot your username, just click on forget username to recover your username. If you want to see your password, just click on I icon to see your password. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. This was for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.